If you want a surefire way to make your left hand buff as hell on drums, then check out this groove. Really, you can apply this to any groove, but we're just going to keep it simple for now. 16th note, ghost notes on the left hand. Yeah, we're getting wild. 8th notes on the ride cymbal because it keeps things nice and open. If you can do that already, you're in the right place. If not, check out the slightly less advanced version of this video. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a... Yes, the key here is to stay relaxed. Hopefully at this point your technique is nice and flowy. Next, try and get 2 and 4 accents while maintaining these 16th note ghost notes. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a... A really good tool to use here is a 16th note metronome. If you can cope with being yelled at 1E and a 2E and so on and so forth, really helped just tighten everything up for me, because as these things get more detailed and minute, you're going to miss what's going wrong. So we've got 2 and 4, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a... Sounds pretty sweet, but we are obviously missing the bass drum, so you can just chuck that kind of wherever you want, really. But to start with, just 1 and 3. As you're trying to figure out your left hand and getting that sounding good, keep it simple on the bass drum. Also, the quieter the ghost notes are on the snare drum, the better this groove will sound too. Either way, have a great day. Enjoy.